So guys, today we are sorry about that. Looking for Atlanta's old Cold War siren system and starting here at 175 Holly Road Northwest and Northwest Andrew Street. We have NSD10, and according to Google, this is an operational one. So let's go over here. What we got next? Peachtree Street and Decor Street. That's not real. Okay, this is in downtown ATL. Did not say Farmers Market, but did I? This is on a building. I'm gonna crash out. What in the hell, Leonte, is this? Alright. I think this was a bust. Because there's nothing here. I'm afraid it's on a building. Click this. If it's on the building, I'm gonna have to get far to see what type of siren it is. It's probably a mobile directo. Oh, I see something up there. Is that a Chrysler? That Chrysler would be functional there. It's like a Chrysler. So I'm looking on top of all the buildings here. I'm not seeing a siren. Indeed, I'm not. Yeah, I didn't say southeast. And where's Decor Street at? So if I'm guessing, it might have been removed. So this is where we travel back in time. Here we are in 2007. And then nothing much here. For some reason, cities for some reason, like to wait until it's 2007. Like, that moved, didn't it? 20. Straight up, that's part of the building. But I'm not seeing here, but if I'm guessing. Holy shit, scared crap out of me. I'm guessing it might have been an SD10 or 500 HE. What in the world is. Or a Starling Little Giant. Oh my gosh, that's a Starling, isn't it? It's a bunch of Model Ds! Oh my gosh, I only thought Atlanta had big sirens. Oh my gosh, let's go to 2007. See their face in a different way. Oh yeah, here's 2010. Oh, okay, I cannot see. What happened? I thought that was a Sterling Little Giant. Imagine these little things right here. They say they are operational. I'm gonna have to keep Atlanta, Georgia. But where are we going? If it's a building, I'm gonna crash. Yo, what the flip? Richard D. Russell Federal Building. Oh my gosh. That's nice. Richard D. It's Richard. Oh my gosh. ABC. Oh my gosh. What the heck? It's saying Rick Hard. It's on the ground, ain't it? Flip. Oh my gosh. I'm surprised they had a Chrysler on that thing. Whoa, what is that? That's a tower. 2 towers. Whoa, what is that? I have no idea what that is. Is that a light post or is that just the police being creepy and all that? Let's go this way here. So we see on this side. Oh, those are a bunch of cranes. Okay. What in the flipping world is that? I wouldn't know that for the longest time. What are these right here? Are they sirens? Okay, that just took me down. So we're going this way, right? There's like any... Is that a control box or something? I don't believe that's a siren though. That's just the old, like the oldest flipping siren in the world. No, it's a Model 2. Oh, that's convenient. Is that WPS on there? Well, just skip ahead. Doesn't that look like a WPS? What in the heck is this camera doing? Oh, I'm zoomed into something. Why am I in a building? Wait a minute. Didn't I click street? Yeah. Oh my gosh, I was not looking for that. No. I patched it. It looked like a wheeling. That was one of them weird things again. What are those? Sister Terminus Hub. Look. Well, I like all these pictures here. Seeing the line. Gotta do this plaza. There's no way it's on the building, otherwise I would have seen it. If it was on the building, it's probably a mobile directo. Please, drop me down on the street. And that was a mobile director somewhere. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. What is that? I give up looking for this siren. Atlanta Stockade. I'm gonna look at some of the images they have of these sirens. That's a Phoenix system.